And I can give my personal commitment in finally establishing a youth parliament here in Wales.
If young people started to vote, I think they'd feel as if, yes, this is my time, I can say what I want, it actually matters. So yes, I think it would inspire more young people to like politics.
I think it would be quite a good idea to get the views of the younger generation. It's going to affect the younger people more, so I feel like our views would be more influential.
It's beneficial to help get the views of young people across so that we're actually partaking in the political process a lot more, so it encourages engagement.
I'm very passionate about children's rights and getting children to have a voice in Wales, so I feel like it is important to have a youth parliament, especially to allow children to see what's happening for their lives in Wales, as it is what is actually affecting them.